In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Relevance AI to develop a app 2025 step by step. Let's start by heading over to Relevance AI. Open your browser and navigate to their chat start page. If it's your first time, you may be prompted to sign in. Once you're in, take a quick look around so you know where to find tools, agents, and workflows. A minute spent orienting yourself will save time later. Next, define your app's use case. Before you build anything, get clear on what problem your app solves, who it helps, and what a successful outcome looks like. Write down the core inputs your users will provide and the outputs they should receive. For example, are you building a customer support assistant, a content generator, or a data summarizer? Think about guardrails too, what the app should and shouldn't do. Clear intent makes every configuration decision easier. Now build your AI tools. In Relevance AI, tools are the building blocks your app will use to reason, retrieve information, and take actions. Create prompts that are specific, include examples where relevant, and define the desired format of the response. If your app needs context, connect a knowledge base or upload documents so the tool can reference accurate information. Test each tool in isolation with sample inputs and refine the prompt until you consistently get useful results. Short, clear instructions usually outperform long, vague ones. Then create an AI agent to bring those tools together. Give your agent a role, such as helpful onboarding assistant, and set instructions that describe its tone, boundaries, and goals. Attach the tools you just built, and configure how the agent should choose between them. If the platform supports memory, decide what to store between turns, but keep it purposeful and privacy conscious. Try a few back and forth conversations to make sure the agent follows your intent. After that, build a workflow to automate how everything runs. Set a trigger, like a form submission or a chat message, then chain steps that pass data from one tool to the next. Map inputs and outputs carefully so each step receives exactly what it needs. Add simple error handling where possible, such as defaults for missing fields so your app is resilient. Finally, test the app end to end. Use real-world sample inputs, verify that the outputs are accurate and well formatted, and note any slow or brittle steps. Iterate on prompts, tool settings, and workflow mappings until the experience feels smooth. When you're satisfied, name your app clearly, save your configuration, and you're ready to share or deploy.